Hi everyone, welcome to Calculus Made Simple by Dr. C, and that's me. I have a new set of videos out to teach you the essentials of Calc 101. You will learn what to expect, how to do it, and be prepared for success in your Calc 101 class. Watch my videos. In Lesson 1, we're going to talk about limits, the practical aspect of them. We're going to talk about derivatives, and we're going to talk about integrals. Please click the like button to get more content and essential tutorials. Last time we said that limits are a way to say what happens when we adjust a variable toward some value. For example, y is equal to f of x. As x approaches 0 of f of x, the answer is 0. We write this with the limit sign with a variable below it with an arrow indicating approaching the value of interest. The equation reads as the limit of f of x approaches 0 is equal to 0. In this slide, we're going to talk about some examples of limits. The limit as x approaches 0 of x is equal to 0. The limit as x approaches 0, 1 over x is infinity. The limit as x approaches 3 of x minus 3 is equal to 0. The limit as x approaches infinity of 1 over x is equal to 0. The limit as x approaches 0 from below, that's what that minus sign is, of 1 over x is equal to a minus infinity. The limit as delta x approaches 0 of delta x is 0. Limit as x approaches 0 of x squared is equal to 0. The limit as x approaches 0 of the cosine of x is equal to 1, since cosine approaches 1 as x approaches 0. The limit as x approaches 0 of sine of x is equal to 0 because sine of 0 is 0. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. We presented conceptual and mathematical explanation. Simply apply the formulas with the information in the problem-solving statements to get your answers. Check out our teaching assistant problem-solving sessions. And if you like this content, found it useful, please click the like button and subscribe as well. And check out subsequent lessons in the links below. Thanks for watching.